Hello. Since I was a child, I really dreamed to go kayaking. And then, right now, I grew up and I'm kayaking, and it is awesome. Honey, let's go. I'm kayaking with my wife. And right now, we're gonna go hit some rapids. Let me call my wife. Honey, let's go. You coming? I want to record some rapids. We're gonna go hit some turbulent stream right now. But as of right now, just look around, enjoy your view. You can, if your screen is kind of blurry, you can set your resolution to 4K. That will make a nice clear image. Or if you have VR glasses, you can put the VR glasses on and it'd be realistically good. If you want, you can skip this video forward until I'm gonna hit the good rapids. If not, stay with me. We're gonna go to some nice places over here. Alright, let me turn the camera around so you can see. You can see more forward-looking thing. That's my wife right there. She's gonna hit some rapids. Let's go record her. Woohoo! Only a couple of feet down the river we have rapids, so hopefully everything will be awesome. Анечка, как дела? Смотри на меня. I see all sorts of animal around here. Hopefully we're gonna see something cool, like a bear. Or a moose. Or a deer at least. You don't think I wanna see a bear? My wife don't think I wanna see a bear. Do I wanna see a bear or not? Huh? Да. Okay, go on the left side, hon. Every time I go down the river, I think God created everything perfect in the beginning. And the weather is really good. We can enjoy and relax sometimes. But there's so many people in this world who doesn't know Jesus yet, and they still bonded by their sin. I just want to let you know, Jesus can set you free from your sin, and you're gonna enjoy your life to the fullest. Even if you have hard times in your life, you're still gonna know you're with Jesus, and you're gonna go to heaven after you die. And God forgive all your sin, and you're clean between God and you. There's nothing that can stop you. That's the best feeling in the world. Even if people are gonna persecute you and laugh at you, you're still gonna have a joy with Jesus in your life. But so right now, let's enjoy this beautiful weather and what Jesus gave us for this moment. Praise God for this. Alright, let me hit. I'm gonna try. Go around that rock, honey. I'm gonna hit you. Go more left, honey. She doesn't want to go more left. Woo. Rock. Go around. How you doing, man? Got any fish?
I just got that.
All right, good luck. Hopefully I didn't scare them, but they come back. Thank you.
All right, we just crossed some nice river. Honey, how did you like it?
I'm trying to
see how I do that.
Oh, you record yourself. Nice, nice. No, I enjoy this time. I love my wife, and I enjoy this time to go with her. You know, let's go here. No, let's go around this way. It's 360, so if you have a phone, just turn it 360. Yeah, she recorded herself and she's enjoying it now. She's holding a phone in her. Oh, your battery's dying. Alright guys, one more time. If Jesus haven't forgiven your sin, you can't enjoy your life to fullest. But if you're free from sin, you love Jesus Christ, hey man, praise the Lord. Woo! Honey, you want to say something? She doesn't want to say anything, so we're gonna quit. God bless, peace out.